Good morning to all of you. Hi, this is Nadeem Khan here, and we all are here to attend a one session. Actually, this session is revolving on around the three words. The first word is competition. The second word is confusion, and the third word is comparison. So, why I talking about a three word? Because how these words are affecting our life. Let's suppose I'm pursuing my master in geoinformatics and remote sensing. But what is my dream? In the past year, I want to become a barrister, but due to some reason, I cannot achieve my goals, what I have to achieve. So why? The reason is that confusion. I confused in my life that what I have to do. But right now, when I come on this stage, I'm very clear in my mind that what I have to do. So this is the first is the confusion. The second word is the competitions. Let's suppose I'm giving examples of this Atif Hussain. Atif has completed, I think he's pursuing engineering, in which?
Yeah, I'm in computer engineering.
Oh, very good. In computer. So he has secured 92% marks in class 12. So brother, I want to ask first question from you. How much you got in class 10?
I've got 7.4 CGPA.
7.4 CGPA. So after 10 you have got in 12 92%, approximately 92% marks. So the first question is, are you satisfied with your result in class 12?
Quite I was satisfied because from 7.4 to 92% is far away, but
huge drastic change.
It was a huge.
So the first question, which he has told that he has got 92% marks, then he had got 7.4% marks, 7.4 CGP, and he has told that he is not quite satisfied. He is not quite satisfied. So the word is quite satisfied. I really want to highlight this word. Why? Because he not satisfied because of the one word, which is that comparison. He compare himself with others who is first step ahead of him. And the first I have told about the comparison, that how he compared. The second I told about the confusion, that how I confuse, and the fourth is that. And third is that? Third is that? Competition. So the third is competition. So this is my elder brother, Rashid Bhai. He are indulged in a competitive examination. So can you please share your experience about the competition?
सबसे पहले तो 10वीं के करने के बाद लोग नॉर्मली 11th-12th एडमिशन लेने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन 11th-12th में सबसे बड़ा कंफ्यूजन लोगों को रहता है कि 10वीं तो कर लिया, लेकिन समझ ही में नहीं आ पाता है आर्ट्स में जाना है, साइंस में जाना है, कॉमर्स में जाना है.
Here I want to stop him. He has told about that he is very confused that what stream he want to choose, that science or arts. And then after,
अब मान के चले कि साइंस ले लिया, ठीक है, साइंस ले लिया, नॉर्मल नंबर भी आ गया, इंजीनियरिंग भी कर लिया, ठीक है, या कोई भी ग्रेजुएशन कर लिया.
So my question is that here, that will you have a dream? No, sorry. Where you have seen that you want to do engineering?
मतलब देखो होता क्या है कि ग्रेजुएशन तो कर लिया, नॉर्मली जैसे कि हम अपना एक फील्ड बताने की कोशिश करते हैं. हम जैसे कि 2-3 साल मैं जॉब किया, जॉब करने में प्राइवेट नौकरी में हर किसी को पता है कि प्राइवेट नौकरी करने का शौक तो सबको होता है, घुस जाते हैं नौकरी में, मिल भी जाता है, पैसा भी ठीक मिलता है, लेकिन जो जिंदगी में जो सुकून चाहिए, जो आराम चाहिए, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आराम ही करना है, मेहनत करना है, लेकिन एट अ पॉइंट ऑफ लाइफ मतलब जिंदगी में सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं हो पाता है. ठीक है, आदमी अपने लिए तो कर लेता है, लेकिन सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ नहीं कर पाता है. तो मेरा पर्सनली ये मानना है कॉम्पिटिशन एग्जाम अगर इंसान दे रहा है तो उसमें ये कोशिश करना है कि कुछ ऐसा काम भी कर सके, सोसाइटी के लिए भी काम करे, गवर्नमेंट के लिए भी काम करे, एक जॉब भी हो जाए उसका, और सोसाइटी के लिए भी काम करे. तो दूसरी बात, अगर साइंस से रिलेटेड है साइंस से गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाए, आर्ट्स से रिलेटेड है तो आर्ट्स से गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाए, कॉमर्स से रिलेटेड है CA करे वगैरह, इस तरह का बहुत सारा ऑप्शन रहता है लोगों के पास. तो कंपटीशन मतलब हर किसी को एक बार ट्राई करना चाहिए.
तो यहाँ से वेरी क्लियर है कि जो आपने ख्वाब देखा है उसे आप पूरा करें. इतना गट्स होना चाहिए कि आप अपने ड्रीम को चेस करें. नाउ I'm shifting from the first to second question, and the second question is that skill based question. So please come here, Ahad. So this is Ahad. What is his full name?
Sayyid Ahad Karim.
Sayyid Ahad Karim. So what you are pursuing?
I am pursuing hospitality and I am doing hotel management from Kolkata right now. And I have changed my stream from, I have taken science in 12th, but after 2 years I came to know that this is not my stream or whatever. This is not the thing which I want to do.
So it is very clear from this that what he has shared his experience, that he not want to do science. In fact, he has taken science. He has completed 2 years course of 12, but instead of this, he want to change his stream because he is very confused at the initial stage that what he want to do. Then after changing his stream, what you happen?
I am doing right now hotel management from Kolkata, and it's about the hospitality, it's about the hotels, cruise liners and various things. There are many things ahead in this, and we are basically living in a society where doctors and engineers are the main thinking of the parents.
Very good.
That's a very much effective, that because people don't get to know about these things, hotel management, hospitality, what it is all about. People mainly think it's only about cooking, but it's not like that. When you go into that, inside this, you see a whole different society together, a whole different industry, which is very, very best for me.
So he has shared his experience about his courses, that what people think, but what he thinks. This is the first things what I want to highlight in his matter, that in his matter कि इसने जो सोचा उसकी तरफ ये निकल चुका. दुनिया क्या सोचती है इसको मायने नहीं रखता. That's the best thing. If you want to change the world, you have to chase your dream. What world means? Not that the whole world. The world means that the world only belongs to him, not the others. And the third, my friend, he's my junior. He's what is your name?
My name is Andy Shahbaz. I'm just completed my engineering from mechanical branch.
So you have completed
Engineering, mechanical engineering.
Oh, very good. So I want to ask the first question, that after completing 10, what you have to do?
I just think it takes science and become a good engineer, but my dream is become a photographer.
So your dream is to become a photographer, but you have chosen
Engineering.
science stream, and you go into the engineering field.
Engineering field.
Oh, very good.
बिकॉज जो भी मतलब कि बड़े लोग जो भी रहते थे, मतलब कहीं से पता नहीं था कि मतलब कि फोटोग्राफी का जो वे है उसको कैसे करना है. बस पता रहता था कि मतलब कि आगे बड़ा होना है, डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है. तो बेसिकली मैं तो साइंस लिया था, मैथ लिया था, तो जिसके वजह से हुआ ये कि मेरे को इंजीनियर बनना था. तो जब मैंने इंजीनियरिंग कर ली, तब जाके जब इंजीनियरिंग कंप्लीट होने वाली थी, जब वहाँ गया तब पता चला कि चीज़ क्या है, कि मतलब इंजीनियरिंग ही एक चीज़ नहीं है, और भी बहुत सारे स्ट्रीम हैं जहाँ जाने का रास्ता अलग है, जो चीज़ हमको स्टार्टिंग में नहीं पता थी. तो जिसके लिए मेनली होता ये है कि मतलब कि आदमी को बताना चाहिए बच्चों को कि मतलब कि होता क्या चीज़ है. मतलब कि और भी बहुत सारे स्ट्रीम हैं, जैसे हो गया हॉस्पिटलिटी, अभी हद करीम ने बताया, और भी बहुत सारे स्ट्रीम हैं. हाँ, तो बस यही मेन चीज़ था.
तो यानी कि आपको एक्सपोजर, बड़े शहर में जाने के बाद आपको एक्सपोजर मिला. So our main motto is that, what motto of the 21st century education of Bihar is that we want to give exposure to our children, to the young children of our this Bihar state, from the initial state. Actually problem हमारे साथ क्या है कि जब हम शहर से बाहर निकले, इस मतलब अपने स्टेट से बाहर निकले, नॉट अबाउट द शहर, बट हम अपने स्टेट से जब बाहर निकले तब हमें पता चला कि इंजीनियरिंग, डॉक्टर और डिफेंस के अलावा भी और बहुत सारे ऐसे जॉब हैं जो हमें करने चाहिए. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट, and the third is that about the skills. So please, Sayyid, come here. I'm talking about the skills. He is pursuing his BSc graduation. He's pursuing graduation in what?
Hospitality.
In hospitality. So his whole courses is totally based on the skill, not on the theoretical. So what I want to say, the first and the last thing, and I want to complete the whole session, is that what the Gandhi has told. Gandhi has founded the World Scheme of Fact to say that students learn by activity, not by reading the whole book. So thank you last. Okay, thank you.